What's the tea, everybody? No, actually, this is not a fan flipping video. I'm Elaina. You can find me on What Presents Plus on Painted with Raven Season 2, and I do all kind of face paint and drag looks, celebrity impersonations, glam makeup on my channel. Just check it out. I have everything. So in today's video, we're doing a Barbie look. If you haven't figured it out, this is the easiest and latest makeup look you'll ever see on my channel, probably. But we have to, because today is the Barbie premiere, and I'm kind of excited. Barely go to the movies, and it's a long intro, sorry. But we're gonna be doing this. It's kind of inspired by, not exact costume, but you know, I'll put everything pink on myself. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe, ring notification bell, and follow me on social media. All the links are down below. So let's get right into this. So for this look, we're going to start with the eyebrows, and this is going to be very minimal, so I'm a little worried. It's pretty much going to be like a pink look, and you know, guess who I am, Barbie. This actress doesn't have any distinctive features, so it's really hard. So I'm using NYX pencil, eyebrow pen. I'm just drawing hairs. Her eyebrows are very natural, like the actresses, and I guess Barbie's too, whatever. And I'm just gonna draw a bunch of hairs, try to make it look as real as possible, cause I got none, as usual. This is ash brown. Her eyebrows pretty dark, and they reduce swoop down. So interesting fact for you, I never had a Barbie in my life, and I always was jealous of the kids who grew up as Barbies. In Soviet Union, we didn't have Barbies. This is like an inside joke with my friends. Everything starts with, in Soviet Union, we didn't have ... But you know, it's true, we didn't. And we had like a baby looking ugly dolls, like a little infants. But you know, who likes to play with that? Girls want to play with grown up looking dolls. That's why in Painted with Raven, when I was talking with Ari, that I couldn't relate to any dolls, and we're creating our own doll. That's exactly what I was talking about. We really didn't have any dolls that looked like human, grown human. So for the foundation I'm going to use, it's very natural. I mean, her face, I'm literally looking at the freckles and stuff, so I'm gonna apply the lightest ever layer. This is gonna be like counter intuitive for me because I like a lot of cake. So this is Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's like a medium, I would say. Medium, you can build it up, but I'm gonna try to make it as light as possible. And this is in the shade 315N. This is my soft tan. Actually, it's a pretty good match. I always say this is probably the best match ever. And this one of the best things that we got on Painted with Raven, because I went through one of these already and actually finished it. It's very, very unusual when I pan the foundation, but I panned this one. And this is the second one they gave us on the show. Or I mean, the one I bought myself. Or was it was a gift. So this is a very, very light coverage. For conceal, I'm going to use NARS. I never do this on camera because this is kind of a light coverage to me. It's not like my favorite coverage, but this is perfect for this natural look. And this is in the color medium custard. I actually purchased it myself. There's no BoxyCharm, nothing. And I don't remember when, but I was very curious because of the high reviews about their influencers, so I like it, but it's still not my favorite coverage. I like a little more coverage. I like ABH actually better. ABH is more full coverage for sure. So she's very blushy, like in every picture and screenshot. I saw a lot of blush. So I'm going to use my Tarte Cream Blush, and this is in the color Peach Sunset. It's probably the pinkest cream blush I have. So I'm gonna just put it like here, in a place we're not supposed to put blush, because she literally has blush like on her apples of the cheeks. And I'm gonna blush my forehead a little bit on the chin. She's not super tan. I'm looking at the actress. I don't know if it's the actress or is Barbie not supposed to be tan. I'm so Barbie ignorant, but she's not like very dark. She's more of a pinky. So we're going to set this with Charlotte Tilbury magic powder, and the reason I'm going bougie for this because it has like a slight sheen to it, and she's like very natural looking and glowy. So we're gonna do just a little, well, maybe a lot. I'll blend it. Too much powder here. The brush is actually from my PR box from Wet n Wild. It's not the best brush. It's like a very synthetic. The only reason I grabbed it because it's pink. It's pink and it's Barbie. By the way, just fun fact, I always like Barbie aesthetic. I always been a girly girl into pink, and I wanted to look like a Barbie because I never had a Barbie, so I always wanted to look like one. I always wore white blonde extensions ever since like I moved to the States. Blonde extensions, blue contact lenses. Well, now I have blue eyes. But yeah, that's my aesthetic. I know it's just a doll, but I like it. So there's not much eye makeup. I'm pretty sure she doesn't have eyelashes on. Maybe some individuals, but it's hard to tell. I did like close-ups of the actress's look and maybe some individuals. I might add a little something, or maybe I'll just use my own. But there's not much makeup there. Maybe a little brown. I see a little bit something brown. So we're going to tight line a little bit, just to give a little definition for the lashes. And then we're going to use a little bit of this plastic tiara. I never go for this except for like eyebrow. I put this on my eyebrows, but I'm gonna use this light brown color, just a touch under the lashes, just to give a little definition. So it's time to put on mascara. I'm going to use two because I'm extra. I'm going to use Kimchi, a real good mascara. This is the volume and lengthening, and I also got this one from BoxyCharm, and it seems like it really works for lengthening. It says the real magnet, I don't know, it's lengthening too. But yeah, so we're gonna do layers. Well, first of all, I want to curl my eyelashes because it helps, I think. If I'm not wearing fake lashes, curling them helps a little bit. So I did put on some lashes. They're like minimal, smallest lashes, like with an invisible strip. And they're just gonna add a little bit of a doll-like look. I'm not sure if she wore lashes, but I just wanted to add some extra. Anyway, I'm going to use Mars blush. And this is, of course, the Orgasm. And this is the perfect pinky look. I'm gonna put it exactly where I put the cream blush on the apples of the cheeks, where I don't usually put any blush. Kind of a little on the nose, just to get overall pinky look. So it's time to use some lip liner. Her lips are very natural. There's no overlining. Actually, my lips might be bigger than hers. So I'm gonna use ABH liner, and this is very pink. Everything has to be pink, right? This is called Rose Dream. It's very pink. And I think I need to sharpen it, so hold on a second. Her mouth is a little wider than mine, so I'm gonna extend the line to make it appear wider. And this is a reveal, and I'm not going to flip the fans here because this is not that type of video. And this is a Barbie look. I don't look like the actress, but I kind of created a Barbie look. Very simple. I did a little bit of shading on my eyes because the actress actually, she has a little like a puffiness, and like when she smiles you can see the lines there. So I did that. I did a little plate with the nostrils a little bit because her nostrils are slightly bigger than mine and the lips a little wider, so I made like the corners of my eyes a little wider. So that's about it. So that's not like exact impersonation, but this is the easiest look you could do, guys. A Barbie looks pretty much mascara and pink lipstick. What are we talking about? It took me like an hour. I just played with the shapes and stuff a little bit, but overall I'm very happy with it. My extensions worked out alright. I just bleached my roots yesterday, so that added to the realness of the Barbie. I haven't seen the movie yet, and like my husband and I would barely go to the movie theater. I don't know, just like we watch TV shows and stuff. But I might have to go see this movie because for some reason it just tickles me. It's so attractive. I don't know, something about it. It's so cute. I gotta go see it. So yeah, this is my Barbie look. So leave me a comment. Let me know if you're excited about the movie. Oh, we got our Barbie girl. Nini, do you want to be a Barbie girl? Do you want to be a Barbie girl? Say hello to the audience. I'm going to dress for her in pink on Friday. Oh, don't pull my extensions out. Please don't pull my extensions out. Shanjo already did. He pulled my extensions out in the middle of the video. And half of the video, probably you're gonna see one of the extensions hanging off. Yeah. So my Barbie is the Barbie that wears cat on her shoulder. Is there a Barbie with a cat on her shoulder? Butthole. There is no video of Elaina Glam, La Diva Deluxe, without Butthole the cat. So leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Are you excited to see the movie? Are you going to go to the theater actually? I might actually go to the theater. And yeah. Alright, piss off. Anyway, I'm not telling you to piss off, I'm telling this one. I'm in a funny mood. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And follow me on social media. I listed all the links down below. So thank you all for watching. I love you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!